In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your Skyrim is not starting or opening. Okay, for the first step, we can go into the search bar and here we look for the task manager. So click on this and here we look for Skyrim or processes from Skyrim, the launcher from Skyrim, something else from Skyrim which is running in the background and causes that the game is not starting. So if you find something, you can right click on it and then end the task, because sometimes processes from the game are running in the background and this causes that the game is not starting. This is the first step you can do, and after that you can go in the search bar and here we look for Skyrim as the game. I do this now with Discord for the example, but you type in Skyrim and then here should be app Skyrim and then right click on it, and here you can run this program as an administrator. You can do this here, but you also can click on open file location, because here we have more options. Right click on it again, show more options, properties, compatibility, and then you can run this program in compatibility mode, disable the full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.